Here is yesterday's painting. I actually like this area now. It looks like gems, like in a cavern, or this is a cave. We found a pink crystal cavern. I don't know. I like it. All right, let's get into the next painting. Today is day 8 of painting 30 paintings in 30 days. So today we are using Nick Pro Paint again. And for this painting, we're doing blues and pinks. We're doing 2 shades of blue. So we have this ultramarine blue, and then we have this iridescent blue, and then iridescent pink. So this is the Nick Pro paint from this iridescent acrylic paint set. So I'm doing paintings from every color, and make sure you mix your Floetrol. Shake it up. I'm mixing my paint with Floetrol. That pink looks pretty. I added a lot of paint in these cups, so we have our pink. So for this painting, I want to do a high pour. And a high pour is simply a pour where you're not close up on the canvas. And I think I'm gonna put some silicone in the dark blue. See if we can get some sails going. So you don't need a lot of silicone, just a few drops. Mix it up. So we're gonna start with the doing pink, light blue. All right. So now we're gonna do a high pour. So this is our dirty cup. See this layers inside, and we're just gonna do a high pour. See what that gets us. The cup. And since I did put silicone oil in this, I'm gonna go and give it a good torch. And I'm hoping for tons of sails. That's what I'm hoping for. All right, I'm liking it. The pink did not come through as much as I wanted it to, but I like it. So the results, like these type of sails that we're getting, I like the effect of the high pour. When I do a high pour, that's the type of results that I'll be looking for. Those, I don't know, I say they're bubbling type sails, but I've seen other people call them cloud sails, but I like it. So there you have it. Painting number 8 of 30 is complete.